Hello once again, everybody. This is Rich with High Percent Trading. Today's short video is going to show you the power of trading harmonic Gann Elliot combination wave 5 and wave 2 setups during the pit open on a couple of markets. All right. The pit open, of course, for those of you who trade equities, is 9:30 a.m. Of course, I'm on the West Coast here, so my chart is going to show 6:30 a.m. And we're just looking for taking the trades in the first hour and a half of trading. This is using software here at High Percent Trading that analyzes the total harmonic combination of Gann analysis and Elliott wave, and then produces the proper buy or sell signals based on those setups. So here's our pit open right here. This is 6:30 a.m. Pacific. And this trade setup right here is a wave 2 trade setup. It caught it very nicely. You can see that we had a retrace target here, an estimated retrace target right here. The software produces this, and it actually came right back. I think got the target within the tick on the retrace. We came down, then completed an actual wave 5. This is the wave 5. When it does that, it draws what we call the football. This indicator that's using this is called a quarterback, and that's why we call it the football. And quite simply then, it produced the up arrow right here. Now, if you were short, what you want to do is go ahead and cover and then reverse to long. This is basically in the first 3 or 4 minutes of trading. We had a very nice long trade up here. It just got past its #1 impulse target right here for a fairly nice trade of about 20 to 25 ticks. And then the way this is taught in our rooms and by the rules is when you do get a wave 5, a harmonic wave 5 like this, it also draws a cyan band. Now these bands are not very large. They're only 4 ticks, which in the Russell on one contract is $20. So if you've got even a small size account, you can trade this. Large size accounts, of course, even better, because you can then trade in multiples and catch this run. As we came down through the cyan band, then it was a good short all the way through here. And eventually the bars turned color. That's a good place to cover your short if you're not still in that trade. We had the wave 2 short here for a nice little 10, 15 ticks, and then we had the wave 2 long right here, and this is what really makes it. This completed a very large run to the upside here again. So far just trading the wave 2, wave 5 combinations. We've had 1, 2, 3 trades as we come down through the cyan band, 4 and 5 for a very nice trade. So this brings us to about 40 minutes into the session. And of course, this is more than enough, even trading one contract, to have met the goals for most traders. And again, you can see that if you have the ability to identify these Gann Elliott combination waves, trading the waves 2 and 5, they can be very, very profitable for you. What I'm showing today is no different than what happens pretty much every single trading day that we run these. If I move this over a little bit further now, as we continue on after this nice long trade here, this was the wave 2 short setup here. We did not complete the harmonic wave 5, but it still produced a very nice profit. And then as you can see, as we started back up on the upside here, it caught the very nice wave 2 trade entry here for another good move up, and then eventually for a good exit here with the wave 2 short. This trade occurring just a few minutes before the end of the pit session. It resulted in a scalp of about 6 to 7 ticks, but no big runner, especially if you had your stop above here. And that's what we usually teach, is you want to keep your stops very small. So again, I think you can see we had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. If I scroll back, 5, 6, 7 trades in the first hour and a half of the pit trading. All 7 resulted in some very nice gains, a couple of them some very large gains. If you're interested in seeing more on this or would like to get some more information or come into our rooms or get the software on a trial, I've listed the website up here. It's high%trading.com. The contact form is here, high%trading.com. Contact us. It's also on the website if you go there. And you can also request a free trial. We'd love to hear from you, especially if you're a futures trader or a forex trader. This is really tailor-made for that. It will trade up to 50 different instruments and trades the 5 major equity markets here in the United States. I don't know if I mentioned the name of the contract. I'm sure some of you are familiar with it. It's the RTY. That's the Russell 2000, traded over on the Globex. It's $5 a tick. So thanks for watching. I hope this was beneficial for you. If you've got the ability to determine these very harmonic Gann Elliot wave combinations, you'll see that it'll add a huge dimension to your trading. And as I indicated, if you're interested in seeing more of this or getting more information, just follow up with one of these. They're not links, but you can copy and paste them or paste them in, and we're more than happy to respond to you. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you like what you see, you can follow us here on the setups here. Just subscribe to the links in here, and you can get every one of our updates as they come out. So thanks again. Bye now. Bye-bye.